Hello, my name is JJ, CEO of LED Nation, and I want to show you our company. Right here is where we have our offices. This is our meeting room where we get together with the client and discuss the different options they have. The showroom is where we have all the different types of screens, indoor, outdoor, and different pixel pitch. If you want to get more information about the differences, we made another video explaining all of them. And this is my favorite part of our company, the warehouse. Right here is where the magic happens. We have everything in stock, ready to be shipped out immediately. We have 2.97 for indoor use, 3.91 for outdoor use, P5. We also have video processor, spare parts, a little bit of everything. So if you have any questions, give us a call. We can work from the idea of your project until the installation. Thank you.